Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping both devices, the Seltos and your Android phone. Make sure the head unit firmware is updated, because compatibility fixes often live there. On your phone, enable location, Bluetooth, and the Android Auto app permissions so the car can discover it. This avoids pairing errors later. Once done, plug a known good data cable into the phone and the car's USB port. A poor cable will connect power but not data, which causes the most common failures. You'll now make the actual connection. Plug the phone into the Seltos front USB port and watch the infotainment screen for the Android Auto prompt. Tap it immediately. On your phone, accept the prompts for messaging and media access. This lets Android Auto mirror apps and use voice. If the infotainment shows a blank screen, disconnect and try pairing via Bluetooth first, then plug in USB again. This forces the handoff and often resolves stubborn handshake problems. You finish by confirming functionality. Open navigation, play audio, and use the Google Assistant to confirm voice control because those features prove a full Android Auto session. If apps lag or crash, restart the phone and the Seltos system. Simple reboots clear temporary glitches. If problems persist, clear the Android Auto app cache on your phone or try a different certified cable. Alternatively, test with another Android device. If issues remain, bring the car to a dealer for a firmware or hardware check. This identifies unit-level faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.